Hi everyone, I'm Marissa Leone, an attorney at Chronological AI. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create a timeline and statement of facts. If you go to our homepage, you can find the timeline and statement of facts tool under the AI litigation solutions column on the left-hand side. Select timeline and facts. Add a matter. Type in the title of your matter, a description of your matter, and background information about your case. You also have the option to select specific documents that you would like to upload and then have analyzed. Select on your new matter to get started. You can upload documents under the Files tab by dropping them in on the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, you'll be able to view all of your files as they are uploaded. And in the bottom right corner, you can see the status of your uploads. Select Timeline. You'll receive a timeline organized by relevance to your case. You can change the order of the timeline by selecting oldest first to change the chronological order of your timeline. You can also edit details of your events directly by updating the dates, as well as the description of the event. Hit Save Changes to save your work. To download your report, click Download Report to receive a Word version of the timeline. Select Statement of Facts to view your statement of facts. You can edit the statement of facts directly on our platform by typing it in. Select Save to save your work. If you would like suggestions around how to rewrite the statement of facts, we have a few options for you. You can make the statement of facts shorter, and you can add conclusions. You can also download a summary of the statement of facts or download the statement of facts report in Word. If you scroll down, you'll see that we've organized your exhibits for you. You can download an Excel list of your exhibits, and you can always select on the documents for you to review. At the very bottom, you'll find a preliminary legal analysis of your case with issues, causes of action, and defenses. Click on the Find Answers tab on the right side. You can type in questions about your documents, statement of facts, and your timeline. You'll receive a response in the chat. You can also go back to the Statement of Facts tab. To do deeper legal research, you can send your analysis to our legal research solution. From there, you'll be able to import the statement of facts. We have another video that walks through the research and drafting tool that you can watch. If you have any questions, please reach out to support@calidusai.com. Good luck.